Happy Monday, everyone. It is time to roll on with a new week. I am going to do here, we are going to do, Vicky is again behind the camera, we are going to do a new sign carvers of the day. But before we do that, I want to talk to you about something that I think is pretty cool. So I got an email a few weeks ago from Anna over at NewAir, and they make all kinds of different refrigeration products. And she reached out to me and said that she thought that our channel, that our audience might be pretty good for one of their products. I agreed with her. She sent me one of her products. I've been trying it. I love it. Vicky now loves it. It's been here for 2 or 3 weeks. So let me show you what it is. This is a 126 can little mini fridge. And again, it's by NewAir. And now you guys might be wondering, why is this pertinent to what I do? You guys, anybody that's been watching for a while knows that during the summertime, it gets extremely warm out here, and I keep my my ink and my black spray, I keep it inside the fridge in the house. Now I don't need to. I've got this little thing right out here, and I think this will live out here in the studio or outside, but it may live inside too. I don't know. Because Vicky, obviously, I think she likes this stuff. And another thing that Vicky likes that we keep in here is our Empathy Wine. If you guys didn't know, I'm an Empathy Wine Gary V Club member. And so we can keep our wine in here, our sodas, and even more importantly, we can keep in the summertime, in the heat of the summer, we can keep our black nice and cool. So I love this thing. I've been using it, and now I think I've had it plugged in and using it for I think 2 or 3 weeks, but it is really cool.
The temperature for the wine.
It is, and the shelves are adjustable, so you can have whatever. There's actually an extra shelf that we're not using right now that it comes with, but it also comes with locks. It's got a locking mechanism in there for, keep the grandkids out of the wine. We can actually lock it. So really, really cool. I dig this thing. Vicky really likes it. So it'll make it really nice and convenient for our drinks and also for the black. So I want to say, so here's the deal, is there'll be a link in the description below. If you're interested in something like this, there'll be a discount code for us in the link below. And then there's also a link right over to the website, so you'll have the code if you're interested in putting something like this in your shop or in your house or in your den or whatever. But it's really a cool little deal, and it kind of matches the decor. I really dig it. Anyway, I want to thank NewAir company and Anna Orocozo. Something like that. Anna, thank you so much for reaching out to me, sending me this little refrigerator. I love it. So you guys, if you're interested and you're looking for something like this, go check it out. You might get a great price on it. I'm not sure what the discount is, but it'll be in the description below. Go check them out. And thanks again, NewAir. I appreciate it. And so we'll come right back and we'll get right into the sign carvers of the day. All right, guys, let's get into this. These sign carvers of the day. There's 30 of them here, and this will take us through right around mid-April. So I'll probably do one every couple weeks, 30 or 40 of them every couple weeks, so I can keep caught up on them. But let's get into them. Here we go. Roy Frank. So this is a logo that I'd never seen before, but when I saw it, I thought it was fantastic. So this is a gift for his 14-year-old grandson, who's always experimenting around in the shop.
Can you tip it back? I'm not sure how that's coming through with the...
We're getting a little bit of a shine on it?
Well, yeah, kind of. I'm just trying to...
Vicky's still learning how to use the camera.
Relearning. Just so that I get the... There we go.
Yeah? Okay. All right, moving on. Steve and Mary Nasby. I just actually talked to them the other day. So this is one that they sold. It's actually two-sided, and it's for some campsite customers. Steve and Mary do a lot out at where they do their camping and stuff. So great job, you guys. Great job, Steve and Mary. Melanie Richard. There's a lot of lady sign carvers in here. So this is only the second time she's used a router. And before that, she was using a Dremel. But that is really a cool family tree sign with the pictures in there. Great job. Beautiful stuff. Ruben Garcia. Check this one out. This one is so cool. He does a lot of stuff in the rounds. He's actually got another one that he sent me that you guys will probably see next month that he made a clock out of. But beautiful, beautiful work, Ruben. Love it. Dan Dozier. So this is reclaimed barn oak wood, and he donated this to his church to raffle off to raise money for a missions trip. I love the color. It kind of reminds me of Shane Northridge a little bit. Love the color. That looks like something Shane would do. Beautiful job, Dan. Keith Burge. Keith was one of our attendees a few years ago when we did our classes out here.
Police officer?
Huh?
Is he?
Keith, I don't think so. I think he's retired military, if I remember right. Anyway, I love this idea. This is really a cool idea for dog toys, cat toys, that kind of thing. And by the way, the handles on the end, he sent me several pictures, but the handles on the end are holes in the shape of a bone, which is really cool. I couldn't show both pictures, but it's really cool. Sam Hurston. Check this one out. Just really, there's some such cool stuff in here, guys. Sam, I think it's amazing. Really, really cool. I love the black and red. You guys know that. And it's got some torch work there. Beautiful stuff. Mike Loyal, excuse me. So this is his 12th sign. He does a lot of these pictures, what he calls pictures to pine. Really cool, huh? So he takes a photograph, and then I think he uses Rapid Resizer or some program, and then puts them onto pine. Sean Evans. This is his first sale. I don't know how many signs he's done, but man, you're holding a good line with that thing, Sean. I love it. I love the color in there too. Great job. Andy Earl. Now check out the detail on this thing. So this is a giraffe with a scene, like a Serengeti scene inside of it. Is that freaking cool or what? Black inset with white outset and a dark walnut stain. I don't think this picture really does it justice. Terrific job, my friend. Great job, Andy. Here's another really cool idea. Mike Harper. So I think Mike puts this up. He's got it hanging up where he feeds his animals. Is that cool? I love the idea. Just a great, great niche. Good job, Mike. Beautiful stuff. Scott Gillette. Now this one is a lot of work. So he's got two different signs there. No, there's just one sign. Excuse me, I saw the line. I'm looking at it upside down. Am I in the way?
No.
Sorry. Great job. Look at all that background. But great use of color. Black, blue, and red. And then some, I think those are just wood color there. Great job, Scott. Billy Doster. I think it's Doster. We just talked to him and we're sharpening his router bits, right? Yeah. Check out that logo. I think that logo is cool. Great job, Billy. Beautiful work. A lot of background. And if you look real close at the background, it's kind of a cross between my standard background and what I call my dimple effect. Terrific job, Billy. I love it. Dennis, and I think this is O'Callaghan. I'm not sure. O'Callaghan? Anyway, in the UK, yeah. Terrific job, Dennis. I love the mountain scene at the bottom coming clear to the edge. That's really a neat idea. Love it. Great job, Dennis. Lou Bryan. Very first sign.
Oh,
Tippet?
That's kind of the pictures kind of.
Yeah.
That's what that was.
Yeah.
Okay. I love that cedar.
Yeah, beautiful. His very first sign. Terrific job, Lou. I'm sure we'll see a lot more good stuff out of you. Great stuff. Matt, we're going to call him Matt W, but that's how you spell his last name. It's kind of tricky. So he did this with a Dremel. This is for his brother-in-law, who is a volunteer fireman. And 18-inch round is the size. But great job. Very first sign. Incredible. Great job, Matt. Helen, another lady sign carver. Helen Stewart. Now this one, the picture isn't as good as I think the signs are. But terrific job. 3 different signs. I like the shape of the ends, the way she did that. Terrific job, Helen. Keep up the great work. Joyce Van Pelt, I talked to her actually on the phone a few weeks ago. 71 years old. And she is a delight. I talked to her for about 15 or 20 minutes. Joyce, I just loved our conversation. So, and I think she just, I just saw something where she actually cut her leg open. Yes. She stumbled and cut her leg open and had to have the 8 stitches. Anyway, Joyce, I hope you're recovering. Love your stuff, and I love you. Call me anytime. She's amazing. She was so much fun. Kat and Rudy Molina. Kat and Rudy have been with us for a long time. Terrific people. They call every once in a while. Premium members like forever. Mm-hmm. Terrific people. Great job, you guys.
I think he made that for his church. Somebody asked.
You know, it could be. I don't have any notes.
I remember the email.
Yeah, I don't have any notes on it. So, but my hunch is you're probably right on that. Great job, Kat and Rudy. Keep it up. Joanne Willis, this chick. I just love this gal. I talk with her every once in a while through Instagram and emails. So she runs half marathons, and these she inlaid 3 of her half marathon medals in the sign. Wow. They're actually inlaid in there. So terrific job, Joanne. You're awesome. Love your stuff. Another very first sign from John Irish. An old TV show for you people that have been around for a while. George Papard, gosh, there was also Mr. T. That's where he kind of became super famous. Anyway, great sign. Great job, John. Very first sign. Keep it up, buddy. Shelby, gosh, how do you say that? Estlak. So this took 2nd place in a competition at a local town fair. So terrific job. I think it is the shape. Gosh, I know that shape, but I can't think. Oklahoma, I think.
That's what it says on there.
Oh, there we go. I didn't write that on the back. Oklahoma. Terrific job. Excellent, Shelby. Keep up the great work. Tom Spielman. So what's this one? Oh, I got you. Kind of an address sign. Beautiful notched corners, outset Western letters. Good job, Tom. Love it. Wow, check this one out. Terry Hazelton, 26 by 28, and it's Eastern red cedar.
Wow.
So it's a Bible quote, obviously. What is it,
Isaiah 40.
The red letters are a little tougher to read than the white.
31.
Yeah. Terrific job, Tom. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
What was that?
That's cedar. It's Eastern red cedar. Eastern red cedar. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. Love it. Dave Levesque. And this one is really cool. A different version of a Live to Ride with a chopper on it. Love it. It looks like a Eldorado style as far as the font goes. Great job, Dave. As always, beautiful. Gary Bradley, 2nd sign. Incredible. That's his 2nd sign ever.
Real women hunting fish.
Love it. Great job, Gary. Absolutely love it. I don't know what the size is. It looks like it's pretty good size, though. But anyway, great job, Gary. Ryan Doty, very first sign. Another really cool fishing sign. Got big scallops on it. I don't have the size written on this one, but it looks like cedar. Of course, it looks like Western or Eastern cedar. Beautiful job, Ryan. Shane Easley. Beautiful job on this. It looks like redwood to me, but it might be stain. I don't know. But love the colors. Great job. Beautiful work. Nice job, Shane. He's been on the show before. Michael White. So this is one of his first. And he makes signs. He actually carves signs out of his motorhome down in Quartzsite.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. I think we emailed or we might have talked on the phone. But beautiful. I really like that. I really like that design. I bet you selling a lot of them down there in Quartzsite. So he sent this to me early April. So he might still be down there. I'm not sure. Or I don't know if he's just down there during the snowbird area season. All right, last but not least, this one you really got to check out. Clark Ward. This guy just completely amazes me. This is an example, guys, of God-given ability as far as artwork goes, mixed with freehand sign carving. Clark is, and any of you guys that probably follow him on Facebook, the guy is truly an artist. He does amazing stuff. He's a super cool dude.
Okay.
Yeah, so
looking through here, I couldn't, but now looking down.
So this is actually, the story behind this is a friend of his, and that's a portrait of his friend that is Puerto Rican, and he actually was dying at the time of cancer when Clark made this for him, and he made it for him as a gift, and that is he sent me a photograph of his friend, and that is a perfect likeness of his friend. And now the family has that sign in the house as a tribute to their lost family member. But just amazing. Clark, just absolutely astounded at the talent, that God-given talent that you have, and mixing that with sign carving. What a combination. Clark, I love it, love it, love it. Anyway, terrific job. That is it, boys and girls. Uh-oh, I just pounded on the bench. It's obvious Vicky hasn't been here for a while. So bad habits coming back to haunt me. All right, you guys. So thanks again so much for everybody. If you have any questions on these or anything else, or the little refrigerator that I showed, email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. Remember, guys, please don't send me messages through Facebook. I miss a lot of messages through Facebook, and I hate that idea, but I'm just so busy answering emails. That's really where I do most of my communication, either emails or on the YouTube channel, comments on the YouTube channel. I always answer those. So if you've left me a message on Facebook recently and I haven't answered, I've just missed it. So send it to me on my email, and I will get back to you ASAP. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, we'd love for you to subscribe and hit that little bell icon, because we post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we've got a big, we're going to start a new project coming up on Wednesday. Hope you guys stick with us. And then Friday, we'll be doing another Friday Live where we're doing a Q&A. Hope you guys like last Friday's. I'm hoping it came out well. Anyway, guys, thanks, and we love you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.